A lot of people think private lenders just glance at a property and say, yeah, the numbers work, let's fund it. But that's not the whole story. We don't fund properties. Well, we fund properties, but more so we fund plans. By the end of this video, you'll understand how real private money lenders like me evaluate deals for funding and how it's less about your FICO score and more about your execution plan. Every loan we look at comes down to three things: the property, the plan, and the person. Let's start with the property. That's the collateral for the loan. We look at the numbers, the value, and the location. Now the plan. That's your strategy. Rehab and resell or refinance. We want to know how and when you'll pay us off. That's also called your exit strategy, your plan for paying the loan back. And then finally, the person. That's you. We care about consistent communication, honesty, and if you got all your bases covered. Let me give you an example. Two borrowers brought me two different deals for funding. Both were in good locations. Both deals had numbers that worked. But investor A came prepared with a plan for the renovation, an itemized list of costs for the renovation, and an understanding of the weaknesses of the property compared to the comps and how to offset those weaknesses. Investor B came with a ballpark cost for the renovation, but no list. He planned to put in lower-end cabinets and flooring, yet the comps he chose had high-end finishes. Guess who got funded? Investor A all day long. It's not about the experience, it's about your plan. If your plan makes sense on paper and in conversation, that is 90% of a hard money loan approval. And if this kind of inside look helps you understand what hard money lenders like me really think about, please hit that like button or subscribe. Okay, the biggest difference between banks and private money lenders like me, it boils down to decision making. Banks are checklist driven, hard money is logic driven. We do not have a corporate loan committee reviewing files. It's one or two decision makers who make the loan decisions. And that's why we can close in days instead of weeks. We're not skipping due diligence. We are doing due diligence more efficiently than bank lenders. So if you want to impress a private money lender, don't just show us a fancy real estate deal calculator from your expensive real estate education. Show your hard money lender a real plan, give consistent communication, and show you understand the strengths and the weaknesses of a deal. Hard money, it's not just about who you know, it's about showing you've done your homework and that you've considered the risks and the weaknesses and that you have a plan to make a real estate deal a success. I'm Corey from High West Lending. I've been a private money lender for over 17 years. If you're looking for funding for a deal, reach out to us.